A law to protect abused or neglected youths could soon be amended to include those up to 18 years. It currently covers children up to the age of 16. And for those who commit crimes, they won't be tried as adults and will have their criminal records erased if they complete their sentences. Ariel Lim with more.
When the amendments are passed, the government will be able to intervene for children up to 18 years old. And they've clarified when they can intervene, with a new definition for emotional injury.
Emotional or psychological abuse and its impact may not be as readily observable as physical abuse and injury. But the harm to a child is no less significant.
Those taken out of their parents' care will also grow up in a more stable environment, as their caretakers will have more power to make decisions. Under a special court order, these foster parents or staff in homes will be able to decide on issues such as whether the child can go overseas or medical arrangements, just as parents would normally. This will last till the child turns 21. Parents or the court will still have to authorize sensitive issues such as a name change. And parents who disagree with granting these powers to caretakers can challenge the court's decision. Amendments also consider those in trouble with the law. Youth offenders above 16 but below 18 are currently charged as adults, but they may not have the same maturity as adults. Most of these offenders will be sent to the youth court when the changes kick in, and there'll be a wider range of sentencing options. Restraints may also be used on those who disrupt security in youth homes under strict guidelines.
For youth offenders who have been successfully rehabilitated, we must make sure that they have the best shot in life. But often the label of being an ex-offender tends to stick. This makes reintegration more difficult.
The amendments allow for those who complete their sentences to have their criminal record erased. Their identities will also be protected for the rest of their lives. There'll also be a change in approach for children labeled as beyond parental control.
The term beyond parental control, or BPC, blames the child and holds him solely responsible for his behavior. However, many social work professionals, legal professionals, and my own MSF colleagues have shared with me that it is just as, if not more important, to address poor parent-child relationships and poor or absent parenting.
The label will now be known as Family Guidance Orders. It'll require the parents and child to complete a family program before the parents can take legal action. Changes will also strengthen support structures for children. Foster parents will have childcare leave, and there'll be more volunteer roles for the public, such as conducting home visits for child abuse cases. During the debate, 5 parliamentarians spoke, raising concerns over whether homes could handle a wider range of youths, and on the use of restraints in government houses. The debate continues on Wednesday.